Welcome to this series of short videos to help you get the most out of your Esprit Windscreen Repair Kit. The repair kit contains everything you need to complete your repair to a very high standard. Our step-by-step process is built upon a cumulative 90 years experience within the windscreen repair industry. By closely adhering to these instructions, you will achieve a successful repair. Use of the Esprit equipment and resin will ensure you are compliant with a number of international standards, including the British, Australia, New Zealand, and the European standards. The equipment has been performance tested on numerous occasions and surpassed all requirements. Esprit are one of the very few global companies whose resin and equipment passes these performance tests, giving you and your customer confidence in our repairs. We recommend that you observe the minimum waiting times in full where indicated. Failure to do this could affect the quality of your repair. Please take note of all health and safety considerations prior to commencing the repair. Nitrile protective gloves should be worn to prevent skin irritation, which may be caused by the acrylic acid present in the resin. Please make sure that you protect your eyes at all times using the 100% UV blocking safety glasses or overglasses provided in the kit. These will prevent fragments of loose glass or traces of resin from harming the eye, and most importantly will block 100% of the potentially harmful ultraviolet radiation emitted by the curing lamp. When working in public areas, remote locations or at heights, you may consider using the Esprit battery pack as a way of minimising trailing cables. Additional health and safety information can be found on the resin insert card supplied with each resin pack. The use of a bonnet cover is recommended whilst undertaking repairs, as the acrylic acid in the resin may cause damage to the paintwork. Please note that repairing the windscreen in direct sunlight is not advisable and may lead to premature curing of the resin. Please use the special UV shield supplied in the kit to protect the resin during all repairs outside. In the next video, we'll explain how to prepare the windscreen and set up the equipment in readiness for the repair.